This is a Stihl 028 AV Super. A very nice Stihl 028 AV Super. It is not in perfect condition. It does need an air filter. It does need a new ignition shutoff switch. The chain is very sharp. The oiler is fully functional. A great saw that with just a little bit of work can be perfect for your everyday use. Click on the link below for pictures and details and how to buy this saw right now at a very affordable price. Don't wait. Don't hesitate, because if you do, your neighbor might get it first. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matter most.